Good morning, boys and girls. Today we'll be working on our beats. We will be practicing clapping the beats up on the screen. We have four choices. I'm going to start you off, and then we're going to ask students to come up and see if they can clap the choices. I'm going to clap one of the patterns up on the screen. Can you tell me what I'm clapping? Go ahead and pause the video and let's see what kind of answers we have. Great, it was number 3. Let's all clap that together. Pause the video so we can clap number 3. Good job! Now let's have someone come up and clap the pattern and let the class guess which one they're clapping. Pause the video and have the class guess which one they are clapping. Awesome job! Now it's my turn. Can you tell me what I'm clapping? You're getting good at this. It was number 4. We're going to continue taking turns for students to come up and clap a pattern. After 10 minutes of the activity, we will go to another activity. Happy clapping!